So today I chose 2.6F as the question I'll be solving. So for my chart, I set up my chart with 6 columns, and in those columns I made 8 rows. I got the rows by doing 2 to the power of 3. The reason it was 2 to the power of 3 is because you can only get 2 options, so it's either true or false, which is where the 2 comes from, and the 3 comes from how many we have here, which is P, Q, and R, which is 3. So that makes 8 columns. And then for the true and false statements, we kind of do have to do it in a sort of order. So it'd be 4 truths, 4 falses. Here would be 2 truths, 2 falses, 2 truths, and 2 falses. Here would be 1 and 1, so it'd be true, false, true, false, true, false, true, and false. And then for our Q or statement, it would be P and Q. So for this statement, it's only if P or Q is true, not both. If both are true, then it's false. So this one would be false, false, true, 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 and or Q. This one's false. So the reason that we made these false is because it has to be one true. It cannot be both true. If both are true, it's a false. And these, of course, because they're false. So that means they're false here. For our or statement, it would be true if Q or R are true. If Q or R if Q or R are true, then that makes this one true. So then it would be also for this one, it doesn't matter if it's 2 truths, it's still a truth. So it's kind of like the opposite of the Q or statement. So this one would be true, 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 false, true, 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 and false. So you see how the only false that we had was these? That's because they didn't have a true in it, but the other ones did. Now for our final column would be these 2 rows, or these 2 columns. And these 2 columns will make them green, is what finalizes this column. So for this one, it would have to be true if both are true. Not if one's true and one's false, both have to be true. So this one be false, false, true, false, true, true, false, false. And that is how we make our chart. So we make our chart by figuring out the true values for the expressions Q or, and. And we figured those out by separating the P, Q, and the R. And that is it. Thank you for your time.